Good morning, teachers. Welcome to today's professional development session by Bangladesh School, Bahrain. We have two speakers today and we have selected the topics according to the need of the hour. The first topic by Lintu teacher will be how to do assignments using Google Classroom. Since we have decided for our annual exam in 2020, we will be using the platform of Google Classroom to do the assignments, assessment and assignments. She will explain to us how to make a Google form and how we can do the survey using Google Classroom. And then the second speaker is myself, and I will be talking on the new BQA framework, which they have designed especially for exceptional circumstances, like we have COVID now. So they have made a new framework to assess all the schools or evaluate all the schools in such a circumstance. So I will give an overview on that. So I will request Lindu teacher to take over the platform and start the session.
Thank you so much, teacher. Good morning, teachers. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So let me share my screen and start our today's section. Today, I would like to present to you a brief overview of using Google Forms for assessment through Google Classroom. So, we know that Google Form is used it's a platform actually, it's free actually. Then we can gather information through this. Then form responses are saving in Google spreadsheet in Google Drive. Then we know that technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. Technology can help us access closed items objectively, quicker, more accurate, instant feedback, the best reward. They are reliable, they are valid. Then what is the trick? We have to spend some time for making the form and we have to adjust the settings, but you can reuse them again and again. Then, why Google Forms? Digital formative assessment can save time and resources. Google accounts are common. Google Forms are free. Google Forms are easy to create, share, and adapt. Google Forms are reusable. Then before the test, create the test, write the questions, adjust the settings, adjust the score. So now let's get started, okay? It's simple. You just need to have one mail account. So what are the steps? First one, create a Google account. That means in your browser, type gmail.com, create an account if you don't have one yet. If you have already one, just log in. Now, this is actually, we are going to start our practical section, how to create a Google Forms in Google Classroom. Before starting, I would like to tell you, every teachers, don't worry that I don't have any laptop. My student is not using Google Classroom and all. Even we can send the links through WhatsApp also. We can create our Google Forms through our gadgets like our mobile smartphones and all. Don't worry about that, okay? So, Actually, just a second. Actually, I already log in. Okay. So first, what you want to do, teachers? You have to log in using your Google account or Gmail ID. Then you can see here 9 dots, right? Just click over there. Then all that Google apps will display. Okay. Then select Google Classroom. Teachers, I already have Google Classroom using for my classes, different classes. You can see over here. Okay, so 11 HSC, 9 GCSE, all the classes I'm having Google Classroom. Okay, so as a new teacher, if you are not using any Google Classroom yet, just open like this and you can see one plus sign over here, right? So just click over there. Then here you have two options, join class and create class. Just create class. Then just read that I have read and understand the above notice like that. Just check that one. Continue. Then this is actually what we are creating, one new Google class in Google Classroom. Okay. So what you want to do, just write the class name for today. I'm writing like just type professional development. For teachers. So for classes, what will be the class name? Like 11 HSC, 12 HSC, something like that. Okay. Then session, ABCD, something like that. Okay. Subject, our subject. So here we can write, I'm writing school. Subject, I'm giving ICT. Okay. So here class, your session, your subject. Then press create button. Now a new class will create in our Google Classroom. Okay, it will take little time. Okay. So you can see here one new class created in the name of Professional Development for Teachers. Isn't it? So this is our classroom now. Now we have in this classroom, we have stream, classwork, people, and grades. Okay. So even you can select different themes and all. Okay, upload photo and all. So let it be like this. You can do that. Then here the class code is here that you can copy and share with your students. I will show that one. We will do practically how to share and all. Now go for the classwork tab. Here we are creating our assignments. Then you can see one create plus button over here. Just press over there. And here teachers, very important, we are going to create automatically scoring quiz, right? So don't go for simple assignment, go for quiz assignment. Click over there. See, this is one assignment we are going to start. So give title, all the instructions. So here, actually, you can give final examination. Based on your, if it is first term, you can write that one. All the instruction, what are the instruction you wanna give for your students, like submit Google form on time and press turn in, something like that. Okay, then did you notice here one blank quiz form already uploaded? Means already this is our form is here inside our assignment. Before that, see, we have to adjust the score. We are going to create for 30 MCQ, no? Actually, I am here only using for 4 MCQ questions for showing you. So I'm giving 4 here. Then you can set the due date and time over here. Select this one. And today is 7th Saturday. And time I can give something like that 10 o'clock something. Check once again. Then we can assign, we can schedule, actually we can organize by giving topics here. Okay, so create topic like exam, like what I mean is if you are conducting class test, if you are giving simple assignment, something like that, no? So every time give topic. So in the Google Classroom it will be separated. Okay, so I'm giving here exam. Okay, so this is the thing we need to set: title, instructions, and how much mark, that is points here. Okay, then the time and date and the topic. This is optional, but I'm telling this is actually we can organize our work. Another very important thing, you can see over here, assign. Don't assign that work now. Generally, we are assigning our assignment after attaching our questions. No, don't assign. For examination, we have to click here and save as draft. Okay, because we are not going to show this thing to the student. Please note down this. Then another, this is now draft. We didn't send, right? So anytime we can edit it. Okay, so now I'm going to edit our Google quiz, our Google form. Okay, so for that, what you want to do? We have to click on this blank quiz. Okay, so one blank quiz loaded. Now we can edit this blank quiz, like we have to give the name of that particular form, and we have to give the title and all. Okay, so this is, we can edit here. Before that, I want to show you some PPT files for you. Just what we did still now. See, once again, one revision, like click the upper right portion for the Google Ad, then select Google Classroom, then how to create new Google classes. For that, click on plus sign and create class. So how the student will join? They have to click on join class. Okay, then they have to type their class code. Then we did like create a class name, we given section and ICT. This class name is must, it is mandatory required. Other we can skip, okay, if you want. Then press on create button, then share the link with the student, then plus on create, one plus sign is there, no? So we can create our quiz assignment, how to create a new Google form. Don't click on assignment, just click on quiz assignment. Then like this one page will load. Then important thing, there is one drop down list, assign, click on there, don't press assign button. Okay, save it as draft. Then now click on blank quiz, adjust the settings, title, instructions, points, due date, and everything, and click on the blank quiz. Here teachers, I told you we have to give the name of the form and form title and how to add questions, right? So for that, nothing is there. You have to just click on the untitled form. Here it is not untitled, it is blank form, blank, right? So click that blank name in the top left corner of the screen, then enter form name, then press enter key. Then how to give form title and description. So enter a form title and description by clicking on the fields. Another very important, interesting thing is how to add questions, right? So variety of question types. One of my favorite features of Google Forms are different question types you can create. These are the types of question you can create: multiple choice questions, short answer questions, paragraph answer questions, and check boxes. for problem with multiple answers. Okay. Another very important thing I have to share now. Remember to always have the first question asked for student's first and last name, and make this question required. If you do not, you will have no way of knowing who did which form. What I'm going to tell, don't start with a question. Okay, we have a lot of things now, student's name, their ID number, class, everything. So that's what I want to remember you before starting editing our Google form. Okay, another thing, I will show you practically how to do that one. See, you can see here one edit form, edit this form, one pen icon, right? Click over there. There. This is our actually what? This is what, teachers? Name of form, right? Name of the form. Okay. So I'm giving something like test quiz as the name of the form. Then this is actually title. Okay. So I'm writing here final examination. Subject also you can insert ICT final examination. We are in the class, okay. Otherwise you can give like 12 ICT, 12 HSC final examination 2020. Okay. This is form description. Okay. So you can write like MCQ. Even you can add a time. Even you can add total mark. This is our requirement, what you want to give. Okay. So here I'm giving only 4 marks. We can edit like this. So we set our form name, then form title and description. This is form name, form title and form description. Now, as I said, we will start our editing. So for that, first, what do you want to type as a here? This is first question, no? So start typing. Enter your full name. This is actually going to short answer question. See, there is a lot of options, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, like that, lot of options. Automatically form decided it is a short answer. Another thing is mandatory, right? So enable required field. Okay. So this is any question for any mark? No. So we no need to set any points for this. So enter that particular question, enable required. Then for the next question, listen. This is the thing. Plus circle sign is there. Click over there. Next question, not next thing. Like what is that? Enter your class and section. This is also short answer question. Enable required. Next one. Enter your ID number. Enter your ID number. This is also short answer question, right? Enable required. Here, I would like to give you one more important thing. If needed, no, we can do response validation. For that, here you can see 3 dots, right? Click over there, response validation. We know that ID number is number, right? So there is chance like some students by mistakenly typing any alphabet over there. So we can restrict that input. Okay, so how it is number, right? Select the number. Then if by mistakenly a student press any alphabet, so we have to send the particular student like one error message like please enter valid ID number. Clear? This is also not a question, no mark for this. Next, actually, we are going to start our first question over here. So type the first question. One, I'm giving, for example, what is the full form of USB?
Lindu teacher, one doubt here. Can we copy paste from somewhere?
Yes, yes, teacher. See, I will show you. Suppose this one. Okay. This icon, no, this is actually duplicate. If you press duplicate, what happened? Duplicate copy created. Okay, another thing, even see, if you press here, no, this here, we can change the order of the questions also. Then even we can, if we made any mistake, we can delete also. If you press here, no, it will delete. So this two icon is for duplicate and delete. Okay, teacher? So let me delete this one, right? Enter your ID number already here. We made a duplicate, so we don't want this, right? So delete. What happened? It will delete.
The question was that, can we copy from the MS Word from the others file and paste here?
Yeah, but
That is yeah.
that I will show you like questions, no, MCQ questions. Okay, one by one I will discuss. Then after that, if we have any doubt, we can.
Okay.
Sir, even we can insert images, whatever we want. We can upload anything. Okay. Okay, sir. So here we have to give options, right? So first one, I'm giving universal serial bus. Next one, just click down. Universal service bus. Next option, uniform serial bus. Next one, uniform service bus. So we given options. Okay. Then another thing, if this all the MCQ is mandatory, please check the required one. If it's not mandatory, don't do for this. Another thing, if you click here, no, there is one option, shuffle option order. This is another trick for conducting examination. That means for every student, this order will shuffle and come. Okay, I'm going for shuffle option order. So every time the form is loaded, now this order will shuffle. Then here we need to set the answer key. Okay, so for that, click on here, answer key. Look very carefully, okay? So how many mark? How much? 1, right? Then which one is the answer? Anyone? What is the full form of USB?
Universal serial bus.
First one.
Yes, check that one. Okay, great. Then even we can add feedback. Press for add answer. For incorrect answers and for correct answers, there is feedback. For incorrect answer, something like that, we can give sorry, or study well, or sorry, that is incorrect, or wish. Sorry, that is incorrect, something like that.
There is less than 1 minute time. The meeting may end, but I will start a new one. Please rejoin.
For correct answers, something great, something like that. So we given for incorrect answer, different feedback, and for correct answer, different feedback. Then even you can see here 2 links. One is link and one is YouTube. Even we can give for incorrect answer video feedback. For that, just search USB From that, then select which one you want to give video feedback for the students.